Good morning and happy Monday, everybody. Headed into the shop right now. We have a lot planned for this week. I just wanted to get in here a little bit this morning and start the next vlog. Show you guys how this week's gonna start, how my day-to-day goes. So driving into work, a little different than normal. I get there pretty quick. Traffic is nothing. Normally it takes me about 40 minutes to get to work because of Boston traffic. Now I'm getting there in about 10 minutes, so let me show you. So this road is usually at a dead stop. This is McClellan Highway 1A. You can see downtown there in the background. Our shop is right over here. Well, there you go. That's a nice start to the week. We don't have any power. Walk right into the shop and everything's dead. But power is supposed to be coming out here soon, and hopefully get this fixed quick. And meanwhile, Steve and I will just play hide and go seek. Thank you, Eversource. We have power. We can now get back to work. So let's get this Monday started off on the right foot now, huh? So, despite the darkness, Monday, Steve already managed to get this top glued up, and we have got this live edge walnut book match. 2 tables glued up in the dark. I'd say that's called beast mode. What?
Does it matter if we level that or just level it after we pour it?
We can level after final pour, I think. So, we're making a sign for the showroom. We got it already routed out on the CNC, and today what we're doing is doing our first coat of epoxy. Steve, did you make enough epoxy? So we should get together some of the projects that we can get done for materials that we have. I don't know if this is something we want to do, but we should probably get a list together of kind of the easier ones so we can knock them all out this week. So what else is in that pile there?
In here?
No, that pile. Is that, did you?
These were all the ones that went out this morning.
Okay.
For delivery.
And then this pile here is all stuff not done yet, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so that's 5 for this week. 5 decent sized projects. Get her, baby. Let's get her. All right. Here's a couple of the next projects. All right, 3 of this week's projects are on this cart, ready to get milled up, ready to get jointed, ready to get flattened, ready to get glued, ready to get planed, ready to get surfaced, ready to get everything sanded and oiled. And then we have 2 more that we're gonna do this. So first project on deck, we just cut this, it's like 18-inch wide white oak board, super wide board. So we're gonna build a 36-inch round white oak table out of just 2 pieces. It's gonna be great. I always love the least amount of boards you can use. In my opinion, always makes a nicer table. So we got these cut, we're gonna join them now. So we got these guys jointed. One thing to take note of that we just did was we flopped grains. So you could see that this board here, the end grain is all arching this way, and we did the opposite over here. That, what is doing for us is making sure that this table stays flat. If you put them both arched the same way, we could end up with a cup over time. So this is going to try to keep it even. Sometimes when you're trying to glue up a table, you just need to stand on it to get it flat. See? Nice and flat boards. Nice and flat boards. Okay, so next step, we've got another big table here glued up right behind me. It's like 48 inches wide by about 9 feet. And we got a big train over here of the upcoming project. So we're planning to get about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tables done this week? 9. Steve says 9. 9 tables in 1 week. Let's see if we actually manage to do it by the end of the week. You guys down to follow? Alrighty, so here's one book match walnut we're gonna be doing. We got that prepped. It's flattened already, we just got a cutter. Then there's gonna be a big walnut river table. Steve's throwing up on the CNC right now to get flattened. Here, this walnut slab is gonna be 2 projects. There's gonna be a coffee table and a side table, or entryway table, I think. And we got a little desk over here on the floor already milled up that we got done. Then we come over here. Over here we have the big walnut guy. Just glue that up now. Live edge elm and book match walnut. This guy has got some cool character in it. Get it, Steve. Get it.
That's why I'm built in, I can't fucking move by myself.
So, we're starting to work on this slab here. It's for coffee table and end table. And in the end table area, we've got some barbed wire that grew through this tree. It's going all the way through, and there's several spots. So, I got my handy dandy tools here. Gonna be finding the metal with the metal detector, and I'm gonna be pulling them out with this old school nail puller. Here we go. Got her. Gotta get them out, right? Still metal in there, but. Break your pencil? Okay guys, it's coming close to the end of the day today. We got a lot done. I try to get as much in here as I could. I mean, if I filmed everything, it would be several hours. We could make an hour-long video easily out of all the stuff we did. But figured that's gonna be too much. If you guys want to see that, let me know. I'm happy to make a video like that. But let me show you everything we got done. So we got this guy glued up, which you're seeing. We've got this book match glued up that was over there. Live edge walnut. The 48 by 9 foot walnut. We've got the elm right there, book match. Another live edge walnut book match. We've got that guy is flattened. This is going to be the river table. Got it ready to pour epoxy. Do that in the morning. And we got this guy denailed. All those that barbed wire that was in here. So that will be flattened tomorrow. And we didn't get to gluing up that guy yet, but she'll be done this week. So I think we are looking good for all the projects done for it just being Monday. So one heck of a day here at the shop. I'm excited to show you guys the progress of these, so stay tuned for tomorrow to see the next steps of these projects. Cheers, guys.